Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have this multi-use torch. So let's open this up. And obviously I have a propane tank here. So we can use that. So that's everything that's in the box. And it looks like it has the torch here. So that is your torch. It has your directions here. So recommended propane tanks. It has an adapter if you're using a different size tank. I think these are all pretty much standard. This looks like the standard size for this tank. So let's get this off. And then we'll put this on here. And so see, that's a perfect fit for that. So it's open. And that is your igniter right here at the end. So I mean, that is like... So I don't want to burn the studio down, but yeah, that's pretty awesome. So anyway, click, ignites, and then there you go. Super cool. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall with your torch. Be safe out there. Definitely be safe out there. Oh, almost forgot. So it does fit the other size propane tanks. So if you don't have these bigger belly ones, it will fit your standard size propane tank. I'll just turn that on. And same thing. Same effect, smaller tank. But yeah, anyway. Brian from Garage Hall. So, fits both tanks. Be safe out there.